On this video, I will be showing you guys on how to delete your search history on the YouTube app. And if you have any question at the end of this video, do remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And also do consider subscribing to my channel to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. And also doing that is going to help me on my YouTube growth journey. Alright, let's get right to it. Simply start by opening your YouTube app. And then once it's open, all you have to do is click on your profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. So once you click on that, you are going to see the setting icon at the top. So all you have to do, just click on that settings icon. Then you are going to see this section that says your data in YouTube. So all you have to do is just click on it, and it's going to load up just a little bit. So once it's done loading up, all you have to do is just scroll down, like just keep scrolling down until you see this section. You can see this YouTube search history. So this is actually the section. So once you look below that section, you are going to see this place that says manage your YouTube search history. So that's what you have to click on. So just click on it. So once you click on that, let me dismiss this message. So once you click on that, you are going to see this delete icon below. So just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you if you want to delete today search history, or you want to delete a custom range, or you want to delete all time. So all you have to do, click on this delete all time to delete all your search history here on YouTube. So once you click on it, just have to click on delete to confirm everything, and you can see deletion complete. So that's how you can delete your search history on the YouTube app. It's quite simple, and also it's quite easy to do. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video. And if you found this video useful, then please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected to my channel, and also to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and it has been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, I can get there super fast and super easy. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.